when you go, hey, I'm B and you're S, so then we go, ah!
No.
Let's go to the grocery store, yeah!
That's perfect. We'll put that in there and we're done. Oh, we passed the chocolate chips. Gotta go, I think it's these ones. Gotta make sure it doesn't contain milk. Thank you. Put your drink down. Oh, you gotta take a picture.
Welcome, valued customer. Scan items one at a time. Thank you.
I don't know if they're
37. $1.69. Credit 50 cents. $1.99.
You're gonna lift that up. You're gonna lift it up and scan it.
$12.39. Please place item back in your cart. Credit $2.40.
Put it in cart.
Please place item back in your cart.
I did not make a mess. No. Why?
Your total is $15.96.
Card, cash, check.
Do you have a coupon?
I've got no coupons.
Alright. Chocolate chips. Chocolate chips!
We should.
I got my recipe right here. I made it. Thank you. The link down below for my my ebook.
You don't have an ebook.
Okay, we need to preheat the oven to 350.
Preheat. Preheat.
There we go.
Preheat.
Dude, your battery's about to go.
Preheat. How do you preheat it? I don't know how to preheat
You
it.
click the up. There you go, 350.
Okay.
Good. Oh, gotta make sure there's nothing in here. My family likes to store things and it's heavy. We gotta cream together the coconut oil. On here I have our oil listed as coconut oil. You can use any oil. Today I am using vegetable oil. You can use butters. Alright, so we need half a cup. So we got our cups.
Half a cup.
So it's kind of dirty. I'm gonna clean it off screen.
Rubbing it doesn't make it clean.
In the blender and it makes flour, and that's actually healthier for you. So if you want to be healthy,
I didn't know that's a thing.
yeah. Oh, pro tip. Where did that go? See, now it's oaty. But if you don't mind it being oaty, you can use whatever flour. Gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, paraben-free. I think that's for hair.
I think so.
So you put it all on the tray. Look,
Hold on.
beautiful. Alright, you put it in the oven at 350. You let it bake for 7 to 10 minutes. We're gonna let it bake. It's in there. Ooh.
Oh, look at that ooey gooey.
Ooh. Alright. Do we eat it without the milk first?
Yeah, let's try it without the milk first. Oh, that's so nice. It melts in your mouth.
Mm-hmm.
Now, let's try it with the milk.
Okay.
Girl.
That's good. We're gonna do a good job.
Good
Can we
job.
high five?
Yes!
That's
good.
good. Ooh, it's falling
Oh.
apart. Ooh.
It's so,
Girl, I love you.
well, this isn't all the cookies that it makes.
Oh,
We still have a batter, like a bowl of batter left. Quite a bit. Like, subscribe.
Snapchat's below. Snapchat's
Thank you.
ask us questions. Probably. Watching. Boobies!
Boobies! Yeah, cut to the boobies! Is this all we need?
No. Yes, that's this is all we need to make cookies.
Oh no!
I don't know.
Break the camera, just
Baking soda.
Good job.
Oh, what's gonna be our clickbait, like our screen.
We gotta put red arrows on everything. We almost died baking. What? Got caught doing what? Baking deathly chocolate chip cookies doing what?
Vegan drinks milk.
Yes.
So this is baking powder.
Yeah.
Baking powder. I would need one, not a fourth.
I thought you were doing it wrong, but I have no place to.
Oh no, did you catch that camera? Oh no, I made a oopsies.
Sam!
You're trusting me with things I shouldn't.
Okay, go wash your hands. Yikes. How much of it? A tablespoon? Teaspoon? A spoon?